Welcome to the final video in my affiliate marketing series on the Thrifty Flex channel. We've covered a ton of strategies from choosing a niche to optimizing conversions. The last crucial piece is leveraging analytics for ongoing optimization. Here are the key analytics every affiliate marketer should track. Traffic sources: track where visitors come from, highlighting your best performing channels. Popular content: see which posts resonate most with readers to create more of that content. Affiliate program performance: monitor which programs and products convert best. Click-through rates: measure CTRs on affiliate links to improve link visibility. Bounce rate: high bounce rates may indicate content issues to address. Conversions by channel: spot differences in conversion rates by traffic source. ROI per traffic source: calculate your return on investment from paid marketing channels. Consistently analyzing metrics will reveal optimization opportunities to increase traffic, leads, and commissions over time. Thank you for following along with my complete affiliate marketing series. I hope you feel equipped to launch your own profitable affiliate site from scratch. Don't forget to like and follow the Thrifty Flex for more step-by-step tutorials.